Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Fit battery. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, and a battery terminal brush. Safety is paramount, so please wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your Honda Fit is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. Having your new battery nearby will make the swap much smoother. Let's get started with disconnecting the old one. Alright, let's get that old battery out. Your Honda Fit battery is usually under the hood, on the driver's side. Grab your 10mm wrench and loosen the nut on the negative terminal, which has a minus sign. Always remove this negative cable first to prevent electrical shorts. Now, do the same for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign. Finally, you'll need to unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which secures the battery in place. Once that's loose, you can carefully lift out the old battery. Now for the new battery. Before placing it, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps with your brush. This ensures good electrical contact. Carefully set your new, fully charged battery into the tray, making sure it's stable. First, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal and tighten it down. Then, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten that one too. Don't forget to reinstall and secure the battery hold-down clamp. This is crucial for safety. You're almost done. Take a moment to double-check all your connections. Make sure both battery terminals are super tight and the hold-down clamp is firmly in place. Now, go ahead and start your Honda Fit's engine to confirm everything is working perfectly. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an auto parts store or a recycling center. They contain materials that need special handling. For extra protection, you might want to apply some anti-corrosion spray to the terminals. You may also need to reset your car's clock or radio presets. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.